construction, vehicle, static model series, alloy material, metal texture. Engineering series, scenario simulation. Simulation ratio of 1 to 40. 3-in-1. Shovel, excavator. Remove the screws and bolts. Replace the shovel head. Install bolts and screw. Bucket can be replaced or disassembled head or single hook. Shovel. Alloy 2-in-1. Shovel loader. The bucket can be replaced by grabbing wood. Simulated crawler driving. The workbench rotates 360 degrees. Multiple joints are movable. Alloy construction vehicle. It's sturdy and drop resistant.